Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I want to talk about multiple line strings in Python as well as incorporating Ascii art into your Python programs. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to set up and install software and also programming tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So multiple line strings, let's make a comment here. Multiple line strings can either have single or double quotes, just like you would in a regular string, but you have three. Okay, so you have three quotes to start and finish. So let me show you an example. So let me say my underscore multi underscore line string equals, and let's do three single quotes here. And you'll see that VS Code here, it actually completes the three strings on the end, so it kind of knows what I'm doing. So this is my multiple line string. It spans more than one line. This is a third line. Okay, nothing special here. But if I did want to print this out, I could print my multiple line string. And if I run this, we get the string. It doesn't merge together in one line. I don't need new line characters like I showed you with the escape characters. It just spans the three lines there. So that's a nice way to make a multiple line string that's easy for a human to read the code. We can also do this with double quotes. So let's create another one, my other string. And we'll do three double quotes. And again, VS Code is completing those double quotes. So let's just do, this is line 1. This is line 2. This is line 3. And how about here are some single, let's do single quotes. Single quotes. Okay, and let's do, here are some, now we'll do an escape, double quotes, because we're using double quotes within single quotes. Okay, so now what I could do is I could print my other string here, and if I do that, we get the 5 lines here on each separate line. The single quotes are fine, the double quotes are fine because I escaped them, so all is good. Okay, so let me get rid of this stuff and let's do a little Ascii art. Okay, so if you Google online, you can find Ascii art pretty easily. Just Google Ascii art. So just Google Ascii art, and there's a bunch of sites, and I came up with one here. So looking at bears here, let's take this first one. Now you may have to do little things to get this to work, and I'm going to show you what you have to do with this one. So I'm going to copy this one. Okay, and we'll call it my bear string. And I'll do 3 quotes there, and I'll paste it in. And you'll see here that I get a bunch of red squigglies here. So something's going on. The first thing we notice in this actual Ascii art, we have 3 double quotes here. So, well, I've got to escape those, like that. Okay, also this slash here, I've got to escape that. And this slash I probably have to escape, as well as this slash. And now let's test this out because it might not be fully accurate. I might have missed something. So let's print my bear string here. Okay. And if I print it out, there we go. And it shows up just looking like the Ascii art that was here, but I had to use those escape characters. Otherwise, it wouldn't have come out correctly. Okay. So that's how you handle Ascii art in Python and multiple line strings in Python. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like, as that will help the video get to more people. Thank you.